Hi guys, 3D5 My Life here. Welcome to another video. Just to update on Linux Sling. Everything is actually okay. The tool change, everything, printing is okay. But there are some issues that I encountered and what I observed as well. So this is an update to Linux Sling, as you can see here. While I was printing just now, as usual, I always have problems with this prime tower. I don't know why my prime tower keep coming out. If you see my previous video on the Majora's Mask on the Voron 2.4, also my prime tower keeps coming off. I don't know how else to set. Maybe I use cone or what. Sometime maybe I will try to experiment with the prime tower. But because the prime tower came off, I tried to salvage by taping it down, and the tool head keep on hitting it. At first it managed, but after a while maybe the vibration is too strong, and as usual it has a communication issue. So didn't manage to finish this print. This is the skull with the candle print. Didn't manage to finish, and that's one of the issue. First is with the USB hub, because my cable is too loose, and every time it vibrates it tends to frequently get disconnected. So I did apply a bit of hot glue to hold it in place, but this time I think the vibration was too much. It happened again. So that's one of the issue. I'm waiting for Big 3 Tech to send me the new MCU with CAN. I think the E3 Easy, I think that toolboard. Hopefully I get my hands on it and can install on it, with also the CB1 or CB2, I think, so that I don't have to use the USB hub. That's number one, the issue that I have. Number two is I'm using this hot end. This is the TZ, don't know whether you guys can see. Let me see. TZ V6 3.0, the one with the single piece nozzle. I have used three of them actually. Tool number 1, tool number 2 here, and tool number 3, all using this. But tool number 3, this one in particular, this one, tool number 3, I always have filament clogging on it, filament jam, and I don't know what's the problem with this. Maybe the thermistor is not reading very well, or the heater, I'm not very sure, or is it poor quality. Tool 1 and tool number 2, there's no problem with this one, but this tool number 3 in particular. So at first this tool number 3 is using this proto extruder, so I thought proto extruder may be the problem. So I removed this proto extruder and I put on this micro Sherpa on it, my usual micro Sherpa, and I still have the same problem of clogging with this hot end. I don't know why happened, same clogging. And so I thought, okay, maybe the fan is, not strong, too weak. So I changed the fan. And still there's clogging issue with this one. So I was thinking, is it maybe the hot end? So what I did was I replaced totally the hot end with my known to be working CHC Pro, Triangle Lab CHC Pro, and there's no problem. There's no clogging at all. So there's just something wrong with this hot end. I don't know what is it. And this cheap hot end, maybe if I buy 3, one is always a defect. I'm not very sure, but that's what happened with this one. So as you can see from the test right here, there's a lot of tests that I did. The pressure advance, the boron cube, and all this skull that I'm trying to print right now all failed because of that. The hot end keep on clogging. So all these are the failed print that I have. And this one almost going to, not almost, maybe 3/4 there, down there already, but it failed again because of this prime tower, the vibration too much and lost communication. Nothing wrong with the Linux is working very, very well, perfect. And when I check this you can see the seam down here at the back, but when I check this, I still not satisfied with the quality. And I then noticed that, wait, let me show you guys one thing. Don't know whether if you guys can see, you can see this belt down here. I observed the belt and it is starting to fray. So I was thinking what could have caused it. And wait, let me turn my printer. Hold on. I pause this video. Let me turn my printer. Okay, if I turn my printer here, you can see down here the belt is not riding along the bearings properly. The belt here for the idlers here is not riding properly. You can see that the belt is not following. Yeah, move it this way. Yeah, that's why the belt are fraying, because it's riding on top of the bearings. So there's one there, as you can see here. And then when you take a look here, all the, wait, let me turn on the, yeah, all the dust from the belt all drop down here. So I need to fix this issue, the belt. Okay. It's because of this part down here. It's not riding. Yeah, it's not riding on the bearings properly. So I need to fix this, get a new belt. That's number one. And number two is so far the hot end has been fixed. There's no more issue. Number two, I need to just find out if you have any tips on how to, what to use set, or what to set for the prime tower. Maybe you can post in the comment. And basically, yeah, that's it. Because there are a few times already that I failed with this prime tower, even the Majora mask before. So the quality is a bit problem because the prime tower dropped just now. I tried to save it. It managed to print continue, I think, quite well, until it get the communication error, maybe because the vibration is too much. And as you can see, there's the ghosting as well because of the belt. Just now the belt is not riding properly. So that's one thing that I need to fix as well. And after that, maybe I will come up with another video to see maybe a full print. Hopefully I can, the big 3 track E3 easy will arrive soon. I can replace that, can solve the communication error issue as well. So that's it, guys. This one also I try. This is just because of the filament keep on clogging. So another test print but fail. Up to here, this hot end stock is up to here. The hot ends fail to extrude anymore, keep on clogging. This stupid hot end, I really I really have bad experience with them before, but this is the V3.0. I thought I want to give it a try. And let me know also, if you guys are using this, what thermistor type are you putting inside clipper? Because here it put here 104 NT-4 for the thermistor type. So I don't know. I tried to set it to follow the same thermistor type as well, 104 NT. Finally, is the other two hot end working okay, but it's only this hot end. So I think there's something wrong with this. Don't know what could be wrong, thermistor, or is it the heat break itself, you know, the nozzle itself, single piece nozzles. I already take out and applied the thermal paste that was included with this hot end. I already reapplied back everything inside the heatsink as well, and it keep on clogging as well. I don't know what's the problem. I'm getting irritated with this hot end. That's why I switched to the Triangle Lab CHC Pro, more reliable. So okay, basically that's it. That's the update for Linux Sling. Let me just show you a quick. Let me try to restart this. See whether it can be restarted. Let me move the tool head on top. Hold on. Okay, I think it cannot be restarted. Okay, so we catch up in another video once I fix all the belt, everything, and I will try another test print, and we'll see another video. Yeah, guys. Alright, if you have any question, as usual, post in the comments or us in our Discord. Join us in Discord, and I will keep you up to date with Linux Sling in another video. Hopefully the new MCU comes and I can fix it up real quick. Alright, see you guys.